Hello everyone. Welcome to Popcorn by Axis Direct, a podcast that simplifies the world of investing for you.
Popcorn. Let's know how the market is looking today as we bring you the trade setup through the daily morning note. Starting with the overview of the markets. Asian markets are trading mixed after economists downgraded China's GDP forecasts to approximately 7.7% from 8.2% earlier. Nikkei is trading lower by 0.33%, while Hang Seng is trading higher by 1.2%, and Shanghai is trading higher by 0.15%. Indian indices are expected to open higher. SGX Nifty was trading higher by 0.21%. Nifty opened with an upward gap and remained lackluster with a narrow trading range throughout the day. Nifty closed at 17,855 with a gain of 2 points. Nifty futures closed at 17,857 on a positive note with an 8.61% decrease in the open interest indicating short covering. Nifty futures closed at a premium of 1 point compared to the previous day discount of 10 points. Now, let's jump to the market news. Bharat Petroleum Corporation plans to invest Rs 1 lakh crores over the next 5 years in raising petrochemical production capacity, gas business, clean fuel, and augmenting marketing infrastructure. Reliance Industries is reportedly in talks to buy a stake in Glance Inmobi Private Limited. Reliance Industries is considering investing about $300 million in the unicorn backed by Alphabet Incorporated's Google. And Whirlpool of India has entered into a share purchase agreement with Elica SPA to acquire an additional stake in Elica PB India. Whirlpool currently owns a 49% stake in Elica PB India and will acquire an additional around 38% equity interest for $57 million. Moving ahead, here are the technical picks for the day. Wockhardt Limited with buy above at 451, stop loss at 447 and target prices between 455 to 459, and DCM Shriram Limited with buy above at 1060, stop loss at 1050 and target prices between 1070 to 1080. And finally, let's have a look at the stock futures. Indian Hotels Company Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Bosch Limited and Amara Raja Batteries Limited fall under long build-up, whereas Ipca Laboratories Limited, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited, Coforge Limited and Metropolis Healthcare Limited fall under short build-up. That's it for today. We will see you back tomorrow morning with fresh updates of the market right here at Popcorn by Axis Direct. Till then, happy trading.
Popcorn. Stay on top of your investments with Axis Direct. Through powerful research, advanced tools, and multiple trading platforms, Axis Direct offers simplified solutions for all your investment needs. Log on to axisdirect.in to start your investment journey with us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.